Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, things are looking very interesting after failing to hold the support which we had around 86,000. I mean, Bitcoin looks like getting attracted towards the next area of confluence, which unfortunately sits around 75,000. Yes guys, in between that range is where we could be heading once we lose the support which is holding us around 82,000. Yes guys, the price of Bitcoin for now looks like following this descending broadening wedge example, which is a bullish continuation pattern. But please be aware, this support from this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line or the support from this golden pocket could be just a temporary support which might result in a move of Bitcoin coming around 84,000 one more time. But instead of a bullish break, start heading towards the original trend duration, invalidating this bullish continuation pattern. Why are we expecting Bitcoin after some small relief rally to head towards the original trend duration? Because this small rally is not just only the support from this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line or the golden pocket, but we are also testing the support from this falling channel. Yes guys, this falling channel upper trend line previously acted as a strong line of resistance. This exact line is being tested at the moment, so you can see it is obvious the previous temporary line is holding us right now. So along with the support from this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, we also have support from this falling channel upper trend line, which could be resulting in a move that might look somehow like this. Bitcoin coming across 84,000 one more time, fake out, and then head towards the original trend duration, also invalidating this falling channel pattern. Why are we expecting a relief rally? Because we have found out that Bitcoin has a CME gap around this 84,000 range. Yes guys, CME gap usually acts as magnet. It might not be 100% accurate, but in most of the cases it has attracted the price. So if we look here, for example, if you look here, we had a huge gap in November 2024, right? So if you look at it carefully, when this gap was left open, you can see Bitcoin started with a move, a bullish move, but at the end, it came to fail it. So it resulted in a rally, a relief rally, and now Bitcoin looks like heading towards the original direction. I mean, lower highs, lower lows continuation path. But while heading to the downside, we were able to form a gap to the upside. I mean, a CME gap around 84,000, which might be failed. So that's why guys, that's why in the medium short term we might see Bitcoin showing a continuation to the upside for the medium short term and then head towards the original trend duration. Why? Because the price has already left the support from this CPR trend line, top, central, and the bottom CPR line. When the price was inside the CPR line, we were excited, right? We were excited. We were expecting this continuation to continue, and price also heading towards the bullish target, the monthly arrow line around 98,000. But unfortunately, the ongoing tariff war is definitely destroying the entire market, crypto market, traditional market. So now if this continues, then since we have already lost the support from the CPR trend line, now we have to be very careful. Since today is 31st of March, if we fail to regain our strength above 90,000 today, guys, today, if we fail to regain our strength above 90,000, the next month's CPR is going to be a descending CPR, a CPR which might look somehow like this. And you know, descending CPR only gets formed when the price is preparing itself for a downtrend. So please be aware. We have to overcome this resistance. Our price must jump above 90,000 to invalidate this bearish continuation. Otherwise, the upcoming days for Bitcoin might look somehow like this. I mean, Bitcoin following this ascending broadening wedge pattern, which could bring the price of Bitcoin around 75,000. Yes, guys, a bearish continuation pattern with price already around 75,000 range. So please be aware. We don't want to get trapped in a movement which could fake out, potentially fake out, and then head towards the original direction. So to avoid this move, to avoid getting trapped in this kind of move, we must break, or we must come across the CPR trend line, which right now looks very, very difficult. I mean, Bitcoin jumping above 90,000 looks almost impossible for now. So that's why I think the next month CPI is also going to be a descending CPI, which will be resulting in furthermore continuation to the downside. And we know the price target in between 70,000-75,000 actually makes sense. I mean, if you look at this price action of Bitcoin, if you look at this downtrend, lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern, right? Fibonacci extension line, you can see came across 0.768 Fibonacci line, and only after that we had a relief rally, but this relief rally did not lasted longer, which now is resulting in a bearish continuation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this Fibonacci line one more time, Fibonacci extension line one more time, just to see where this continuation could be heading. So just like from this past price action, if we are also going to head towards to test the 0.786 Fibonacci line, you can see in our case this 0.786 Fibonacci line sits in between 70,000 75,000. So this price range could be looked as our upcoming target for Bitcoin, and we know that's also the potential target from this ascending broadening wedge pattern. Now it is also the target from this Fibonacci extension line. Parallelly, it is also the target from this 50 exponential moving average, because in the past price action before starting with the bullish move, first Bitcoin tested the support from this 50 exponential moving average and only after that turned bullish. So if we do see another continuation, a double test, a retest around this trend line, then even in a weekly time frame, you can see this 50 exponential moving average could be attracting us before expecting a continuation, which might look somehow like this. But until then, you can see we are expecting this trend line around 75,000, the 50 exponential moving average, 0.786 Fibonacci line, the price objective from this ascending broadening wedge attracting us, and parallelly even this rising trend line attracting us. Bitcoin failing to break out of this horizontal line in the past price action resulted in a pullback. We tested the support from this rising trend line after getting rejected on this upper trend line, and only after that started with the bullish move, right? Same thing happened here. Rejection, 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 got thrown back towards this rising trend line, and only after that an actual bullish continuation played out. Same thing is unfolding here. Rejection, rejection. Bitcoin looks like getting attracted towards this rising trend line. So if we do see a continuation like this playing out, then please be aware, you know, this rising trend line will be also looked as our next target for Bitcoin before choosing an actual trend duration, which might look somehow like this. But for this bullish continuation pattern to play out first, there could be a move, Bitcoin heading towards this key area, and only after that choosing an actual trend duration. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that since it's 31st of March, if Bitcoin fails to regain its trend above 90,000, the upcoming month is also expected to be bearish. So for that, 75,000 will be looked as our bearish target for Bitcoin. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then definitely check the video description, because those events are temporary, and if you are an experienced trader who want to take advantage of this market volatility, then definitely act now. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.